All right, it is Friday morning. We're at Pet Connection in Ocean Springs. This will be our second turtle today. We just went through a kitty emergency. We almost lost an employee to the cat. Anyway, here we have an obvious oral abscess in a Terrapene, Carolina. I like this color morph. Very pretty. Anyway, so I'm going to give it a local block here and then slice that open. This is likely going to be a pus cam.
There should be another blade over there.
Oh, I just used the same one we had. Should be
Okay.
good. Oh, what are you doing? All right, we'll get busy. Oh, here you go. Well, if your fingers can still film, you can film.
Okay, let me go put the ice back up. And we are rolling.
Rolling. Oh, come on. I want to grab the abscess. I need your head. Need the head. A little bit more. There we go. Now I win. This is just to make your pain a little bit less. Oh. Rupturing toward the top. Give that a few seconds to work. Bad news about abscesses is the tissue on the inside has changed its pH, and these local blocks actually depend on a normal pH of tissues. So those of you who want to bitch and whine about not using local blocks for abscess repairs, they don't always work. Matter of fact, studies show it might be more painful than the actual abscessation lancing itself. I think years ago there was a study done and people had described the release of an abscess tooth and infection is akin to an orgasm. That was what the study said. This is not me making this crap up. Basically saying that they had all this pressure in their head, from an abscess, and if you've ever had a tooth root abscess, you know that it hurts. You can't think of anything else. You can't see anything. Everything is concentrated on that one piece of infection. But then once that abscess was loosened, it was like, whoa, your whole world changes in a matter of a second. So that's why they were making that analogy. All right, little buddy. A little bit more. Get your head back out here. Poke him in the booty. I'm the lefty, so I'm going to do it this way. I don't think it's going to get you. Their abscesses don't pop like mammals do.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's like a pimple, but nasty.
Oh, you can smell this one.
You go flush.
Oh, here's what's in there.
That's what that is.
Oh, okay. Get in the hole. Come on, go ahead and say it.
That's what she said.
All right, just so you people on the other end of the camera know, to be a veterinarian or a technician, you have to be knucking futs to at least a certain degree.
You're not wrong.
Notice how we're not struggling anymore. Barely holding on to the head. I don't know what I'm getting wet over there.
That devil machine.
Ew! All right. There you go.
Is it? Bye-bye, turtle. Can you give me that puppy pet over there?
You hit me over the other side.